Okay, we're going to add the extension to Sketchup to allow us to transfer our files, which are going to be video files, through to our VR Oculus Go. So to do this, we go to the Window menu, find the Extension Warehouse, open that up. Once it opens up, you can just simply type in Sketchup Viewer on AR VR devices and hit enter. Okay, so I did that a bit quick. So Sketchup Viewer on AR VR devices. Once you've found that, it appears here. You can see that's a free install, so we'll just click on that. Okay, so it looks like I need to sign in to continue. I'll just quickly do that. I'll pop you on. Just logged in with my school account, and now you can see that I have an install button. So I'll go ahead and install that. Agree to the terms of use. Just go all the way to the end. Accept. Yes, I do want to install. Just make sure you hit the install button again after you accept the terms of use. Now it's starting to install. It may take some time, so I'll just pop you on hold until it comes up. Now that the extension has been installed, you'll see this little pop-up box telling you so. Just select the OK. And there are 4 extensions that need to be updated, so I can do that at a later date. Okay, so that now seems to be installed, and then we can go on with exporting our files.